welcome back to my channel. It's Mai with Miss Wagashi TV. Today I got a request from Kay from the UK. Could you upload some New Year's recipes? I would like to make them this New Year. Kay, thank you so much for making a request. I would like to do consecutive New Year recipe series. So the first episode is the vegetable carving techniques. The vegetable carving techniques are used in many Japanese New Year recipes. From this video, you will be able to learn how to carve the vegetables and the symbolic meanings of each decorations. So let's get started. I will start with carrot in the shape of plum flower. Peel and slice your carrot into 1.5 cm thick. Then, cut each slice into the shape of a pentagon. Make a tiny incision in the center of each side and make a notch. Curve out the pointed edges to form rounded flower petals. Then, make 5 incisions halfway through and divide into 5 sections. Carve each petals diagonally. Plum flower, pine, bamboo, which flourish in early spring, are considered auspicious motif in Japan. Lotus Roots flower carving. The lotus roots is considered as a vegetable that brings good luck. The distinctive holes on the surface of lotus roots symbolize a good outlook for the future. Slice lotus roots into 1 cm thick. Along the edge, make notches. Then, carve out pointed edges to create rounded petals. Soak the lotus root slices into a cup of water with a teaspoon of vinegar to prevent browning. Taro roots, potatoes, and hexagon. Cut off the end of the taro roots potato and peel the skin to create 6 sides. The hexagon is derived from the shape of the tortoise shell, which represents longevity. Lastly, I will show you Konnyaku decoration. Slice a block of Konnyaku into 7 mm thick and make an incision in the center. Then twist one end of konnyaku. This is another popular ingredient used in Japanese cuisine. On the next episode, I will show you a very popular New Year recipe called braised chicken and vegetables. I will use all these vegetables today, so please stay tuned and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!